Hey guys, this is Applied Math Beach Trip for Mrs. Long's class. It says Miguel, JJ, Chris, and Eric are planning a trip to Santa Cruz for the weekend. It is a 175-mile drive. Chris's car gets 30 miles per hour. 30 miles per gallon. JJ's truck is more comfortable, but only gets 15 miles per gallon. The gas costs $3.29 per gallon. So I changed the numbers on it, so you will have to do your own math, okay? But the only thing you'll be doing differently is you'll be putting in 173 instead of 175, and then 32 for 30, okay? So I have changed the numbers for each problem, so remember, do not copy this down, okay? So for A, it says, how much gas would Chris's car use to get to Santa Cruz? So it's 175 divided by 30. When you do it, it'll be 173 divided by 32. How much will that cost? Okay, so I figured out that it costs $5.83. Okay, or no, I figured out that it is 5.83 gallons. So I times that by 329. Okay, because that's per gallon, and I get $19.17. How much gas would JJ's truck use to get to Santa Cruz? So 20 goes into 175 miles equals 8 gallons and 75 or 3/4. How much will that cost? You just multiply that by the price per gallon, 329, and you get your answer. On the next problem, remembering that they must drive to Santa Cruz and back, how much will they save by driving Chris's car? So you subtract how much it cost from the other problem. Let's see, sorry. So, let's see. So Chris had to spend, oh no. JJ was $28.79. Okay, so it's JJ minus, or which one's more specific? Chris minus JJ. Sorry, so confused. Okay, times 2 because you have a round trip. Okay, the boys want to ride bikes along the coastal trail. Bike rentals cost $8 an hour or $25 per day. If they only want the bikes for 3 hours, which rental plan should they choose? Okay, so I changed the numbers again. So 9 times 3 equals $27. That's the hourly cost, or $26 per day. So from downtown SC to pick your own Strawberry Field, it is 11 miles along the coastal bike trail. If the boys bike at 10 miles per hour, how long will it take them to get there? So you set up the problem. Okay, so I put, we said that on one side we have the miles, okay? And on the other side we have the minutes, okay? So you cross multiply. 10x equals 660. So it equals 66 minutes, okay? And the only difference is you're going to put in 12 and 8, okay? Assuming they bike back at the same rate and they take an hour to pick strawberries, how long will their outing last? Okay, so we know it's 66 minutes times 2 and then plus 60 minutes to pick strawberries, okay? With this in mind, which bike rental plan is better? Okay, so they're out there for 192 minutes, okay? So the day rate is better because they're probably going to round it to 4 hours since they went over 3 hours. So the day rate is, on my problem, $26. And if they're out for over 3 hours, that's $36. Given that 4 boys are renting bikes, how much would they save if they brought their bikes from home and used JJ's truck? So if they did the day rate, and there's 4 boys, it's 4 times 26. A hotel room costs $220 per night. There is also a 10% tourist tax. How much will their total hotel bill cost for 2 nights? So it's just 220 times 0.10. In your case, be 0.1025. Okay, equals $22. So that's the tax, and then you need to add on the hotel room costs for 242. The boys split the cost evenly. How much will each have to pay? So you just divide by 2 for the total cost. An all-day wristband for the beach boardwalk rides is $30. Individual rides generally cost $3.25. How many rides does a person need to go on to make the all-day wristband worthwhile? Okay, so the day is cost $30 per ride is $3.25. You're going to divide, and then when you do so, you will get 9. Okay, so for it to be worthwhile, 9-10 rides. Okay. Mrs. Long's favorite ride is the sea swing. The radius of the sea swing is 20 feet, so that's all the way around when it swings in a circle. If it takes 10 seconds to complete a turn, how fast are the swings moving in feet per second? So you just divide. 10 goes into 20 and equals 2 feet per second. So you're just going to divide 8 goes into 20. Okay. Number 8, Miguel likes to play break a plate. It costs $2 to throw 3 balls. Miguel throws 22 balls before he wins a large stuffed Pikachu. How much did the Pikachu cost him? So you put 2 over x equals 3 over 22. Okay. So I cross multiply, and I get 3x equals 44. Divide both sides by 3, and I get $14. Okay. The Santa Cruz Pier is 850 meters long. If Eric swims at 1.6 meters per second, how long will it take him to reach the end of the pier? So it's just a division problem. 850 divided by 1.6. Okay. If Chris runs at 20 meters per second, how long will it take him to reach the end of the pier? Same problem. You're just going to divide. In your case, you'll divide by 20. Okay. It'll be 840 divided by 20 on that one. Okay. I don't know what happened to this slide here. Let's look at this. So this is 8 and 9. Okay, I must have. So let me fix this really quick. Okay. So we did 8, 9. Let's look at 10 here. Okay. Okay. So 4 boys rent 2 kayaks for $50 per kayak. They paddle the bay from 3 p.m. until 7 p.m. How much did they pay for the kayaks? So they paid $50 because they rented 2 kayaks. Okay. So it's 50 times 2 equals $100. And how long did they paddle? It's just from 7, or 4 to 7, or 3 to 7, my bad. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. If they split the cost between them, it's just 4 boys divided into $100 equals 25. Okay, so let me see if I can fix this really quickly. Okay. Let's see. Which problems are these? Okay, so that's just 10 again. Okay, so I'm thinking there were more problems, but maybe not. So I'm going to end this video, and then if there are more problems, I shall add them and upload them to YouTube sometime later today or tomorrow. Okay? See you guys. I hope this was helpful. Bye.